Okay, let's look at this equation. We have to find the gradient of the line, which is this. If we look at this very well, you discover that this is a straight line equation. And if I have to find the gradient of a straight line, it's very simple. The first thing you need to do is to pull down this to the solution. And then you will need to recall what is the equation of a straight line. What is the equation of a straight line? Equation of a straight line is given by y is equals to mx plus c, where this m here is the gradient and this c here is the intercept. Is the intercept. So, but we're not after the intercept. We're only after the gradient because the question asks us to find the gradient of this line. The line is also called a straight line, okay? Because you can see that we have x here, we have y here, just as it is in the straight line equation. We have x, we have y, and then we have x here. So this is what we need to find. First, we need to rewrite this equation to take this form. So how do we do that? We know that we have 3y here. So let's leave this minus 3y here and then try to push this one to the other side, push this one to the other side. If we are pushing, this is positive, so it becomes minus 5x. If we push plus 6, it turns to what? Minus 6. So this is what we have. So we are looking for just y to stand here, meaning we are going to divide both sides by minus 3 because there is a minus 3 here. We divide this by minus 3, divide this by minus 3. So minus 3 we cancel minus 3, leaving us with just y here, which is equal to minus, we cancel minus. This is the only thing that can cancel it because 3 cannot cancel into 5. So we have 5 divided by 3 and then x here. Minus, we cancel minus, giving us a plus. Then 3 will go into 6 how many times? 2 times. So this is what you're going to have. But if we look at this, the coefficient of x, which was m here, we said is the gradient of this line. So what is the coefficient of x here? The coefficient of x is 5 over 3. So it suffices to say that our m in this case is what? 5 over 3. And 5 over 3 is the same thing as what? 3 goes into 5 how many times? 1 time. Remember what? 2 divided by what? 3. This is the gradient of this straight line. So if you like this solution and then you want to see more about this or other concept in mathematics, do well to subscribe to our channel so that we improve your knowledge of mathematics. Bye.